Traders, sit down, buckle up, because it's time for us to do more swinging than the orangutans in the Borneo jungle. It's time for our weekly forecast, guys. I know, it's exciting. This is basically where I give you all of my swing trades for this week, guys. Every single one of them that I'm looking at. And if you stay tuned, guys, we're going to look at why the safe haven or flight to safety currencies are seeing some real weakness. In fact, we are going to start there. And again, all of your swinger jokes are fully welcome, guys. So please leave a comment below the vid. So yes, weekly forecast time. Let's do this. So like I say, guys, it's all about, well, not all about, but a lot of my trades this week are yen and Swiss franc weakness. And both of those currency pairs are flight to safety or safe haven currencies, right? And they are showing real weakness. Now, why is that? It's because the indices, right, are showing such strength. Okay, so this is the NASDAQ, right? We had this big sell-off, right? And that's where we saw all of that Swiss franc and yen strength, right? And now the opposite is true. People are buying the indices. They've bought the dip. We're buying the indices. And now the Swiss franc and yen pairs are weak as a result. And it's very important that you know this correlation. It's a simple correlation, guys, but you must be aware of it, right? And if you just look at any of the indices, right, S&P 500, these are all weekly charts, guys, because we're looking at swing trades. Yeah, the S&P 500 has broken these highs with a weekly candle, right? Very bullish. Dow Jones, again, right? Broken, you know, clearly in a uptrend and broken these highs. Everything is very bullish and looking good for the indices, right? The economy looks in good nick. So that's why we're seeing this weakness in yen and Swiss franc pairs. So let's start with US dollar yen, right? Now, if we look at the weekly chart, right, we are clearly in a downtrend still, right? There's no ifs and buts, right? We're in a downtrend, but we've hit this real key support level, okay? And at this support level, we have had a very nice bullish reaction, okay? That is all, you know, that's a week's worth of buying at that level. Now, all of the yen pairs, if you look at the monthly chart, this is really the catalyst, right? Just all of them look so good, right? They're all at, you know, we could put an area through here as well, guys, right? This was the last monthly lows, and you can see we're getting a real nice bounce off those levels, right? And just look at the wicks. Yeah, these are buying wicks. I know they're red candles, but they're buying wicks. They're buying candles for me, okay? And this is suggesting we can at least come back up to this grey zone. And in fact, yeah, that would be my target. So let me just put this target in here. All right, so this would be my target to come back up to this grey zone, this area of support resistance. So monthly's looking great. Weekly is in a downtrend, back to the weekly, but we've got a nice bullish candle. And then the final piece of the jigsaw is the day chart. And all I want to see, guys, is a push through this level. Right, you can see here it was once support and it's proven to be good resistance so far. But if we get just one more candle, push through this level, right, I'll be looking to, you know, buy this potentially all the way back up to there. And the same is true for lots of yen pairs, right? If we go to New Zealand yen, let's start with the monthly chart. It's all about that monthly chart. Look at those candles, right? And obviously this month hasn't finished forming yet. We've still got next week's 5 days of trading before this finishes. But just look at those wicks, right? If we go down to the weekly chart, it's the same story, right? We are in a downtrend, okay? But just look how bullish this candle is, right? Just nothing but buyers, and the idea is just to come back up to these last highs, all right? So there's still plenty of pips to move into, right? So US dollar yen buys, New Zealand yen buys. I like euro yen buys. Let's have a look at euro yen. Again, on the weekly chart, let's start with the monthly, just so you look at those wicks at such a beautiful level. Again, we could put a monthly level in down here, right? Monthly support level. Okay, so the monthly chart is the catalyst plus a very bullish weekly candle, and we can take price just back up to this level of resistance. And the final one is CADJPY. Exactly the same scenario. If we look at the monthly chart, look at those wicks. Again, I should really put in a support level through here. Yeah, you can see price has reacted once, twice, 3, 4 times. And this is the monthly chart, guys. Weekly, yeah, we're just getting a really nice bullish candle. And the idea would be to come back up to this. I'll probably go to this 10800 level. All right, so they're all the yen pairs that I'm looking at. And I also mentioned Swiss franc, also a flight to safety, also a safe haven currency pair. And I'm looking to buy Swiss franc weakness. If we start with Euro Swiss franc, and we're going to start with the weekly chart. Now, before I do, guys, if I could just please ask everyone, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we'd love to have you. Smash the notification button and please smash the like button. We're all swingers. We're not all swingers. I'm intraday trader, but it was meant to be a joke. Anyway, yeah, so do that, guys. Yeah, and please smash the like button. Also, if you haven't already, come join our trading community. We've got loads of swingers in there. And you know, our community, guys, you can talk to like-minded traders, share ideas, knowledge. Okay, so come join our free Discord channel. It's free. Come in, verify yourself. Bob's your uncle. If you want more than that, guys, and you want access to my trade signals, you want access to my tutorials and strategies, and you want direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And we have a promotion right now where you can get free access to the VIP if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers. All right, simple as that. No brainer. Come get involved. All the information is in the video description, or you can contact us, guys. Right, Swiss franc pairs. Similar scenario, right? Just look at these monthly charts, right? Let's drag that across a little bit so you can see that wick. Yeah, this is looking like a double bottom, right? And I would argue this is in a monthly uptrend. Okay, broke this level here, higher highs, come back and tested these lows. This seems like a really nice level to start buying from. Okay, and just look at that wick as well. Okay, so monthly's looking good. If we drop down to the weekly, again, as with the yen pairs, we're in a downtrend, right? But the monthly chart plus these weekly candles are telling us, you know, buyers are in control, and we can at least come back up to these highs. All right, so Euro Swiss franc, we're looking to buy. Also pound Swiss franc. Okay, these are the ones I like the most out of the Swiss franc pairs. Again, if you look at the monthly chart, just these wicks, guys, right? If you ever see a wick like that, chances are price is going to do this. If you see a wick like that, price is going to come down, which it did. You know, it's as simple as that, guys. You see a wick like that, price goes up. Yeah, it's, you know, it's not rocket science, right? It's just looking at the candle, you know, who's in control, and buyers are in control, and we can potentially take it up to here. If we drop down to the weekly chart, we've also had a structure break with this one because pound has been really strong, right? So with this one, we're now getting higher highs, higher lows, right? Just a bit of a retrace, and then we can take price back up to here. All right, so pound Swiss franc, there's more, guys. So those are all the safe haven pairs we're looking at. But I also like euro pound. We look at the weekly chart. You can see we were in this, you know, potentially uptrend, right? But now downtrend. We're getting lower highs, and we've broken all of these lows in here with this candle right here. And look how bearish that weekly candle is. Okay, so we're looking to sell for those reasons. You know, perhaps a bit more of a retrace into here before we come down, guys. That's what I'll be looking for. And if we zoom out, right, you can see there's this nice psychological 8,300 level at these last lows here. We could aim for that. So euro pound sells. There's more. There's more. Don't go anywhere. There's more, guys. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. And also, guys, I would really like to know what you think of these trades. Are you looking at these same pairs yourself? Are you looking at something different? Please leave a comment in below this vid. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I like sells, right? We was in this channel, okay, and then we broke out of this channel, right? And now we've retraced to a really nice resistance level, right? We're getting lower highs, lower lows, and just look how much resistance we have here. We have the moving average 20, we have this horizontal resistance level, and we've got the bottom of this trend line. So that is like triple whammy resistance in there, right? It's a really nice level to start selling, potentially all the way back down to here, if not these lows. And there's one more, guys. Don't go anywhere. US dollar, Canadian dollar. I was also looking at pound US dollar, but that was a little bit too overbought. Whereas US dollar, Canadian dollar, we look at the weekly chart, it's just at a really nice level. Okay, we was in an uptrend and then bang, downtrend, and here we are at the moment. So we've got lower lows, potentially lower highs. We've had a nice big bearish wick at this level, right? You know, not far from the moving average 20. The idea would be to come down to these last lows, if not further. All right, guys. So yeah, for all you swingers, those are all of my swing trades for this week. If you've enjoyed the vid and would like to receive my trade ideas every day, then please come join the channel, subscribe, smash the like button. Have a great trading week, and I'll see you soon.